Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.8, Problem 21. This is Section 2.8, Problem 21. It says find the sum of 1/4 and 2/3. So this is just a simple addition problem, 1/4 plus 2/3. And we have to find the common denominator. So where my denominators are different, what I like to do is start with a larger denominator, in this case 4. Will the other denominator of 3 divide into it evenly? The answer is no, it won't. So next I'll double the larger denominator. If I double the 4, I get 8. Now will 3 divide into 8 evenly? No, it won't. So now take the larger denominator, triple it. 4, if you triple it, you get 12. Now will 3 divide into 12 evenly? Actually, yes it will. 3 goes into 12 4 times. So my lowest common denominator is 12. So now figure out what numerators you need to make equivalent fractions. So for the upper fraction, 4 times some value becomes a 12, it would be times 3. So the top would also get multiplied times the same value. 1 times 3 is 3. And now for the lower fraction, 3 times some value is 12, that would be times 4. So the numerator gets multiplied times the same value, in this case times 4. So I have 2 times 4, which is 8. So now I've rewritten the fractions in an equivalent form so they both have the same denominator. Now I can just combine the numerators. So my answer will be some value over 12. I'm adding, so I'll add the numerators, 3 plus 8 more. 3 plus 8 more is 11. So I have 11 over 12 as an answer. And again, check, can you reduce 11 over 12? You cannot. There are no values that divide into both the top and bottom of that fraction evenly. So 11 over 12 is the final answer.